Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you are fine. This is the best video and the best indicators. Two indicators we are using in this video, and results are really amazing. Here you can see. Just look at the signals accuracy. Just look at the signal accuracy. It is really amazing. You can see, amazing one. Okay, all the signals like this one is profitable, 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 this signal is also profitable. The both signals are give you good profit, and this one is also. So, and for so far this one signal, and hopefully we'll get one more signal, and then you will see results will give you amazing result. Okay, so the first thing, if you are doing scalping, then this video is for you, because at today date, you can say, in uh, the most important thing is the scalping, because if you are scalping, if you are doing scalping, then you are a good trader. Okay, but if you are doing swing trading or day trading, then of course it's a good one, but it's according to your choice. Okay, okay, let's start the video. Just small request, please subscribe my channel and must like my video. Okay, here we go. We have to start the first section. We will I will give you the whole details of both indicators. The first indicator will give you this one, histogram, RSI. This is the most important, is the RSI ribbon. Okay, the most important thing is the RSI. Okay, and the band lines. Okay, and the swing points as well. These are the swing points. Okay, so here we go. We will add second indicator. This actually the second indicator will give you. Let me show you. Uh, just wait. Histogram high. Okay. Uh, there are two lines and the signals. Okay. The most important is the signals. Okay. In this video, the most important thing is the signals. Okay. And let's see. We will add more, both indicators now, and hopefully we are making the video and we will get one more signal as well. Then we will see how much accuracy signal indicator is giving you. Okay, here you can see. Let's start. First, you have need to make sure when you got the signals are below, or you can say, you must get all the candles should be below from the RSI and the two EMA lines. Okay, then this is your entry point. Okay, you have need to do scalping, you book small profit and close your trade. Here you can see both signal give you the profit, that's it. Here both signal give you profit, that's it. Here this one signal give you profit, that's it. Okay, and here you can see. Now the important thing is when you got the signal, your first target is upper band line. Like when candle touch to the upper band line, close your trade. Here you short signal, open your position, but make sure candle should close below from the RSI and 2 MA lines. Like this candle is closing below, so open your sell position, and this candle is touching to the lower band line, so you have need to close your position at this point. Buy position, your target is, first target is this one, and before target achieve, if you got the sell signal, you have need to book your profit and need to open your sell position, and you can see you got your profit at this point. Okay, we're using gold in 1 minute time frame. Okay, here we go. Signal, after getting the signal, make sure the candle should be upside, and yes it is. Then open your position, like you are trading with a lot size, like for example 0.01. Okay, then 0.01 lot size. After 0.01 lot size, you open one buy position, and your first target is this one. Okay, and if your target did not achieve and market goes downside, you do not need to worry, and just wait for another signal. Okay, like this one. Now you have need to open your one more position and close your trade in this candle when the candle touch to the upper band line. Okay, this is your closing point. Okay, this is your entry point. Okay, and your first target was this lower band line, but before that you have need to close your trade, At this point I need to open your buy position. Now we are waiting for another buy position, then we will open one more position. Our target will be upper band line. Okay, so here you can see the previous signals were amazing and mind blowing. You can see, really amazing. And one more important thing here, let me show you first. In this video we will cover all the points, okay, because the last signal was mind blowing. Okay, this signal was awesome. Like, let me show you. You got the signal here, and after getting the signal you can see market goes upside and you got exit point. Let me show you here. Your exit point was this point. Okay, okay, now when you got the buy signal and after that you will see the RSI come below from the lower band line, then this is your another buy entry. Okay, after getting the buy signal, if your RSI come below, and histogram as well, make sure the histogram is green as well. Okay, then open your buy position, and then you can see really amazing. Here you can see RSI was upside from the upper band line, and just look at the histogram red at this point, and then you can see market goes downside. Okay, and here you can see histogram green at this point. You can see this is a good opportunity for the scalping as well. Here you can see our histogram red, and you can see the candle is below from the RSI as well. So you can see there is a very good opportunity. Here you can see RSI and histogram, all the things are clearly visible. So this is your best entry, and for the scalping, yes, it is good. Here you can see this is another one. Okay, so this is the best indicator for the scalping, and if you need this indicator, yes, you can contact me. Let me show you my contact details here. If you need the indicator, you can contact me on WhatsApp, Telegram or Gmail. Write one at the end if you want to contact me on my Telegram. Gmail simple hoga @gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. Okay, any further query, any question, yes, you can ask me. And the boat is in progress, and hopefully the boat will be ready. So far profit in the it's give us around the profit of around $180, and floating profit and loss is $146. So far just around $40 profit so far. Okay, and in the another broker drawdown is just $5, and so far profit is $14.55. And yes, the EA will be ready in few days, and then you can get the trial version of my auto trading bot. Okay, it's in progress, and hopefully the bot will be ready in the upcoming days. Okay, here you can see just $14 profit in I put this board around 4 to 5 hours ago, and in 4 to 5 hours it just gave us profit of around $14.5, and so far it is good one. Okay, so I am just testing in the live market, and hopefully you will get a very good bot. Okay, and so far the bot is in progress, and hopefully you will get the good news in the upcoming days. Okay, so if you need, you can contact me on WhatsApp, Telegram or Gmail. Any further query, any question, yes, you can ask me for the next video. Bye bye, take care.